Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make green screen video in Capcut. So what you need to do is first you need to find the green screen image on Google or Pinterest or any other free downloaded picture. So here I already download one. Okay, so here is the green screen pictures, and then after that you just need to add overlay like any image or videos that you want to add to the green screen. So in this case I'm going to add a video. Okay, I'm going to find the video first. Okay, so I'm going to add this video, for example, like this, and then adjust the video until it fits to the screen like this. And then after that, still on the video, and then click on cut out and remove the background of the video. Click on the remove background and just wait until the background of the video is fully removed. Okay, just wait. So now the background has been removed, and then click on the green screen and you can just drag it to adjust the video, to adjust the green screen aligned with the video duration like this. And here is your green screen video. Okay guys, so that's all from me. That is how you can you can make a green screen video in Capcut. That's so easy, and I think you can follow it right away. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to click on like and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Thank you.